Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Kumar and today I will be talking about my topic design navigation for usability. So navigation for usable refers to creating intuitive design, easy to use system for guiding user through website or application. It's like building a website which is more usable or that engages more number of users and ensure user can locate information quickly, resulting in a simpler browsing experiences. So you might be wondering why navigation matters. It's based on three core options. First is enhances user experience, improves website engagement, and the third part is SEO part, search engine optimization. So if we talk about the user experience part, so effective navigation is critical for enhancing user experience by reducing frustration and confusion. And if we talk about the website engagement part, so it improves the certain website engagement by encouraging users to explore more pages. And additionally, if we work on the search engine optimization part, so we can positively impact the SEO rankings by improving the site structure and user behavior metrics. Then comes the key principle of usable navigation. The four key principles are simplicity, visibility, and the feedback. First is consistent. So you have to maintain a uniform style, layout, and functionality of the whole website. And it should be simple, minimalistic design. Avoid overwhelming user. Like you do not have to make multiple designs or hodgepodge all these design frameworks, and it should be visible and it ensures navigation elements are easily noticeable. It should not be a lot bigger or even smaller. It should be easily visible. Fourth is feedback. You have to rely on feedback of the user and change according to that. And the four key types of, or four main types of navigation system are global navigation system, local navigation system, contextual navigation system, and breadcrumb navigation. So we first look at the global navigation system. So the global navigation system is the primary menu visible across all pages, often positioned in the header. So, for example, if we look at left part, so there are home buttons, about, contact. So this comes under the category of global navigation. It ensures the consistency in and supports usability that enhances the help or support to the user. Then comes the local navigation system. So local navigation system focus on the navigating specific section of a website, like subsection or subcategory within the category. For instance, I have an example of an e-commerce website, and there is a category of women's clothing items and the fashion wear. So we can implement or choose the filter out option to navigate to a particular thing which we want. Then comes the contextual navigation system. So the contextual navigation system embedded links within the content. This link connect user to relevant resources and related information. For instance, or if we look at the code of any website, so And those codes, moreover, have their alt, which have reference to other links or other part of an article. So this comes under the contextual navigation system, and the breadcrumb navigation system provide a path tracing feature like file directory. For example, if you want to buy mobiles, so mobile phones comes under the category of electronics, and electronics comes under the category of home sections. So this moreover comes under the breadcrumb navigation. And then comes the mobile friendly navigation system. So mobile friendly navigation system majorly rely on the responsive design, collapsible menus, and the mobile first approach. So I have an example, right? So it should more mobile friendly navigation system should be responsive. So it adapts the navigation system to the smaller screen, and the collapsible menus optimizes for touch interactions, and it should prioritize usability on mobile devices also. Some best practices for reusable navigation systems are it uses descriptive labels for menu items, consistent style that maintains consistency in navigation styles, usability testing that refines the navigation based on user feedback, and it should be simple to avoid unnecessary features. And you do not have to include multiple things at once. And some of great examples of navigation systems are Amazon. And the key part of Amazon's UX, intuitive menus, clear labels, and their responsive design. And other is Airbnb, which makes easy for user to find what they need, like ticket bookings or hotels booking, etc. And the accessibility in navigation are screen, it should be compatible within screen readers or all screen readers. If someone do not have a mouse or he or she is mouse impaired user, it should be compatible keyboard accessible. It should be keyboard accessible. And uh, we talked about multiple things about the navigation system or the design usability. It it is the most important part of the design is the feedback. If the user is not impressed or satisfied with your uh, project or the interface is no worth. So you have to keep changing as per the user needs. So this and the benefits I also tell earlier that effective navigation brings the user engagement, accessibility, and overall website performance. And the first way is user feedback. You have to keep changing, iterate, refine navigation based on the user testing. And this at conclusion, you have to keep your navigation or design UI design as simple as you can and intuitive. You should have consistent design, maintain consistent navigation system styles, visibility. You have to make navigation system easily visible. It should not be large or it shouldn't be as small as. Thank you.